Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter rice. Start by cooking rice until tender, then stir in peanut butter while warm so it melts evenly. Add soy sauce for salt, lime juice for brightness, and chili flakes for heat. Toss in sliced scallions and toasted peanuts for texture. Adjust peanut butter and liquid to reach a creamy but not soggy consistency before serving warm. Measure and cook rice using the proper rice-to-water ratio for fluffy results, then let it rest covered. Whisk peanut butter with warm broth or water and a splash of soy sauce until completely smooth, creating a pourable sauce. Fold the sauce into the rice gently off the heat to coat each grain evenly. Finish with a squeeze of lime and taste for salt and heat before plating. Explore variations by adding quick sautéed veggies such as carrots, peas, or bell peppers for freshness and color. Try crunchy peanut butter plus chopped toasted peanuts if you want extra bite and contrast in texture. For a heartier meal, fold in cooked chicken, tofu, or shrimp and warm through gently. Finish with herbs like cilantro and a drizzle of sesame oil for a fragrant, restaurant-style touch at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.